Meaning of ethnolinguistics.
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 Ethnolinguistics. Ethnolinguistics is a field of study that focuses on the relationship between language and culture. It explores how language influences and reflects cultural practices, beliefs, and values, as well as how cultural contexts shape language use. Through ethnolinguistic research, scholars gain insights into the diversity of human languages and cultures, as well as the ways in which these systems interact and evolve over time. Ethnolinguistics forms an important branch of sociolinguistics, contributing to our understanding of linguistic diversity and cultural identity around the world.